In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a draft or awaiting approval bill in Xero step by step. If you've accidentally created a bill, entered incorrect details, or simply no longer need it in your accounts, don't worry. Xero makes it easy to remove draft and awaiting approval bills, and I'll walk you through the entire process so you can do it confidently. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss an important detail. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Xero tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. First, log into your Xero account using your web browser. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top navigation menu. You'll want to click on Business, and then from the drop-down menu, select Bills to Pay. In some layouts, you may see Purchases first, then Bills. Either way, you need to get to the Bills section where all your supplier bills are listed. Once you're inside the Bill screen, you'll see different tabs such as Draft, Awaiting Approval, Awaiting Payment, and Paid. Since we're deleting a draft or awaiting approval bill, click on the Draft tab if your bill is still in draft status. If the bill has already been submitted for approval but not yet approved, click on the Awaiting Approval tab instead. Now, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the specific bill you want to delete. You can search by supplier name, reference number, or amount to quickly locate it. Once you've found the correct bill, click directly on it to open the full bill details page. Here you'll be able to review all the information, including the supplier, invoice number, dates, line items, and totals. Before deleting or voiding the bill, double-check that this is definitely the one you want to remove. This step is important to avoid deleting the wrong transaction. If the bill is in draft status, you can delete it completely. To do this, look for the Bill Options button, usually located in the top right corner of the bill screen. Click on Bill Options and from the drop-down menu, choose Delete. Xero will ask you to confirm the deletion. Confirm your choice and the draft bill will be permanently removed from your records. Now, if the bill is in awaiting approval status, the process is very similar. Open the bill the same way. Click on Bill Options in the top right corner, and instead of Delete, you may see the option to void the bill. Click Void, confirm the action, and the bill will no longer remain active in your list of outstanding bills. The process for drafts and awaiting approval bills is essentially the same. Open the bill, go to Bill Options, and choose the appropriate action, either delete or void depending on the status. Keep in mind that you can only delete or void bills that have not been approved or paid. If a bill has already been approved or marked as paid, you'll need to follow a different process, such as creating a credit note instead. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete a draft or awaiting approval bill in Xero. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future Xero tips and accounting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.